How you all doing? This is NKD SMARTVIEW. So right about today, let's get on to day 8 of the NKD SMARTVIEW 100 days upload. So now let's commence. So basically it's actually just a period of uploading as we go through to what we have resisted all 100 days. You take note, I'll be spilling up one or two informations in it, but I won't be actually giving out what all the settings of statistics on the videos. Rather, just one or two informations that you could actually go on to. So the system is about what? Statistics. I've been saying it for over a year now. Statistics, what? And what? Statistics. Nothing more. No tricks, no formula, no loophole or any of those. It's all about what? Statistics, 100% statistics. So looking at that now, let's commence on to today's analysis. Now, as of when I started up my analysis, I had what? 3, 2, 2 here, and 3, 2, 2 also here. So for now, we are up with +2 here. This stagnant, this is +8. So red has been doing very well since then. This was 25 to 25 here. So this has actually what? Gone -3. This has gone +5. This has gone -2 since we actually what? Since I started up with the analysis. So in essence now, the red has actually been good. Now, as of when I started up this analysis, if I wanted to do anything, I would have eliminated the color blue. Very simple, leaving us with two options and the no winning color. Hence, I've always stated it in the video that whenever I eliminate just one option, I'm looking into play the winning color using the remaining two colors as well as the no winning color. But if I eliminate two, it could be any of two, I'm looking into play what? The remaining color on a 2+. So you understand what I'm saying? Very simple and what? Very easy. So let's get on to this now, checking out the last 10 draws. Now, as I stated, the color red, the color what? Green, eliminating blue. So let's look at the last 10 draws. We had what? Green here, 1, blue, no, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, no. So it has been what? Much more of an 8/10 in the last what? 10 draws. Following up now, we can see a dominance from blue, good and fine. Let's look at this. A dominance from blue in the last 2 draws. But looking at the statistics, any dropped, none dropped or decreased, still stagnant. Despite blue winning 2 times, it only came up +2 here. And that's just it. So for now, according to what we can see, what is the best option to play? Will it be a winning color? Will it be a 2+? Now, first things first, this is around as I stated, the higher band is 35 to 42. So red could actually still do quite some things. This is actually what? Decent, fairly decent on what? 22. But if you look at what? The color green and blue, a flip could be coming soon. So blue might be flipping green, or they could become the same very shortly. So that is it there. They could actually become the same very shortly. So in that sense now, we look into following up with statistics, 20. So you can see what happened now. So we have what? Ourselves what? A 23 to what? A 23 right about here. A 23 to what? A 23 right about what? Here. So in this sense now, we are going to be going on what? A flip. Now red already is decent. It has dropped -1 currently. These two are about what? To flip. Now looking in at this now, what has happened right here? This was what? 25 before. This was what? Less than 25. In this sense now, this is -2 currently. But what happened right now was the fact that green had to come up to blue. So there's likely a chance that green can still drop down the color blue. So there's likely a chance that what? Green will drop down the color blue. So what happened right now is that red has gotten another minus. So a -2 here, stagnant. So I just want a confirmed flip. But one thing from the beginning of the video, I've already put an X on the color blue, meaning red, green, and what? The no winning color for a winning color system. But now I want a 2+. And my eyes are on the color green. I want a 2+. My eyes are what? On the color green. So let's look into that now and see how it's actually going to go. So looking at this now, we have ourselves on the 23. And let's confirm this. Check the last 10 draws. Check the last 10 draws. What can we see here? Okay, more dominant here. So green 2+ is actually what? Much more liable to start up a gameplay. So we have another draw, nothing moved. Every is still what? Constant. So nothing moved right about now. Now, whenever I've explained this, whenever an ID appears and there is no movement in statistics, it means that one left for one to come in. What that means is the fact that we have this current draw now, ID 38. That means the below ID is what? Okay, let's use it at the last three number, ID 838. So the ID that left the screen just now was what? ID 739. So it means that for the ID to come out with a draw and the statistic did not move, that means on ID 739 it was a draw that appeared, and now as a draw appeared, draw cancel draw, meaning what? No movement in what? Statistics. So that is something to note. So we have two draws now and what? No movement so far. Now another draw, let's see what happened. So right now another draw and still what? No movement. Another draw, still no movement. That means the previous ID, so we had what? ID 38, we currently have ID 39, meaning okay, 838, 839, meaning that the previous IDs were ID what? 739 and what? 740. That means draw and draw, draw and draw, draw cancel draw, draw cancel draw, no movement still. So whenever there is a flip like this, most of the time there's always this kind of occurrence here, draws. You understand me? Always this kind of occurrence, draws, giving every single color a clear slate. Giving every single color what? A clear slate. This is a new slate. You make use of it wisely. In that sense, now what I mean is the fact that anybody that play red here, 1, play red again, 1, play red again, 1. So that to go on green. Green 1, green 1, green 1, blue, blue 1, blue 1, blue 1. So whatever has been happening here, this gave you what? Opportunity to what? If you have been losing or you lost here or here, this gave you the opportunity to recover and prepare for what is coming. And now what is coming right now, definitely blue has dropped. So you can, okay, blue remains stagnant. Draw dropped, blue remains stagnant. So for draw to drop here means that also this is ID what? 40. ID 40, 39, 38, ID 840, 839. We are starting on green 2 plus. So I'll be coming there. We are starting on green 2 plus. So I'll be coming there right about now. So 838. Then we have what? 739, 740, 741. Now on 840, green 1, draw dropped. That means from ID 739, 740, 741, it was draw, draw, draw. So one draw came in, one draw left here. One draw left here, one draw left here, nothing move. One draw left here, one draw left here, nothing move. One draw then did not appear, rather it was a green. That means for it to be that the draw fell by 1 means that one draw dropped from the bottom and green appeared. So in that sense now, you understand what I'm saying? The draw dropped by what? 1. Now we have ourselves back on an equal footing here. Looking at statistics, we have what? Red 1 here, the color green 1 here. And once again, we have what? Green winning here. So green is showing more dominance. When you look overall at this place, 2 green, 2 green, 3 green, 1 green, 3 green. So green is actually showing dominance. So for now, as I stated, the best option to go on with is what? The color green 2 plus. So it starts from ID what? ID 40. Green, okay, ID 39 rather. So ID 39 here. 2 plus green 1, 2 plus green failed, 2 plus green 1. So from the very beginning, the color what? Blue has been eliminated. And right now it just got flipped. And looking at what dropped, it dropped here again. That means at a particular ID. So this is ID 42, 842. That means blue actually won ID 743. So as blue did not appear, then it was appeared by a red, okay, green rather. Or what color won there? Let's check that out. So the color one here is what? The green. Very good. Blue once again dropped by 1. So very simple, very easy. That's how to go about it. So looking at this now, green 2 plus, we continue on it from ID 39. So won this, lost this, won this, won this. Best option to go on right now is the color what? Green 2 plus. So starting from ID 39, we have ourselves a win, loss, win, and win. So that's just it. Alright, so let's get on to this. Okay, so we have ourselves now another win. This is a draw. Did the statistics move? What happened there? So 26, 24, 28, 22. So that's it there. So the draw has come up by 1. Green is up to 24. Blue is down by 1. So plus 1 minus 1. This is what? Constant. It was as high as 30 before. Now it has a minus 2. But currently plus 1 on green, minus 1 on blue. So that's it. As I stated right from the very beginning, when we had the statistics were at 322 to 322. The best colors was actually what? Green, red, and what? No winning color. If you had been playing that, you have barely lost the color what? Blue at any given stage. So that's it, and we continue on that. So we have ourselves now a red. So decent gameplay, 23, this one, and this one. So as I stated, I want a color what? 2+. I chose green. Best option does not mean that green will win every single draw, but the best option. Then when we look at the ideal situation, due to the fact we only what? Eliminated blue. Ideal situation is to play red, green, and no winning color on the winning color what? System 1, 2, and 3. But on the 2+, because of the sake of this video, I'm looking for what? The 2+, which I've chose the what? Color green at this current stand. At the earlier period, the color red took the baton, but at this period now I've taken what? On the color green. So the ID, we started up from 39 here, and what? We have been still on the same what? Gameplays. So moving on to this now, we have the color green appear right about here. And from ID 39, we have green, lost, green, 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 lost, green. So green 5/7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/7. The color red 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6/7. Then the color blue, lost 1, lost 1, lost 1. So 4/7. So it's much more of a red to a green to a blue situation. So currently red is the highest with 6, green 5, blue 4. So how long can that continue? With the fact that green is what? Dropping, blue is dropping, green is actually what? Progressive. So green is still the better option as we speak now. Green is still what? The better option. Now we've lost red 2 times in a row. Lost here, lost here. It hasn't happened on green. We already lost green from ID 39 here and what? Here. No 2 draws in a row, but you can see what's happening. The color red is fading. Green won this, green won this, red faded twice. So the best option to still strike is what? The color green. So we can continue with this for a longer time, because the next thing we can see is a flip here. This is what? 25-29, and on the 24 hours we have what? 29-32. So a difference of 3. So very good gameplay here. We can continue with this for a longer time, but I'll be stopping